Hello everyone, once again welcome to the channel, and we are solving a very famous interview problem, letter combination of phone number. So you can see the like and dislike ratio of this problem is like more than 110. So this problem is very famous and it's like cover basic idea of recursion, backtracking or DFS. So you can pause the video and read through it yourself. So in this problem, basically given a letter case combination of a phone number where like digit 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 map to the letters like 3 or 4, and then we are given a input string digits. So here this example 2 3, we need to formulate all the possible combinations. Like for 2 we can replace it with 3 character A B C, then 3 we can replace with 3 character, so 3 into 3, so there can be 9 possible combinations of 2 using 2 digit, and we have to return them as a list of string. So this is the answer. So why it is very important, let me show you here. The companies this problem is asked in last 6 months itself. See, the Amazon 23 times, Microsoft 13 times and Facebook 7 times, and so on. Like every big company is in this list, and the Amazon and Microsoft or Facebook is in the like most frequently asked. This is recursively this problem, so you should practice this problem, and this problem is also cover lot of various approaches to solve other problem as well. So let's understand how we will solve this problem. So this problem is not that tough if you know basic programming and recursion. This is very straightforward. So what we need to do, first of all, we have to find out the different like set of character based on the digit. So what we need to do in this case, we can either store in a map or in an array. Like 2, we will call for 2, we will get the string of 3 character like ABC, or list of character like whatever, then we can later. So similarly 3 we will get DEF. So this is what the one of the approach. We can store in a dictionary or hash map with integer as a key and the value as a string, or we can store in a string array where on the 0 index and 1 index we will store empty string, while on the 2 index like based on. So I like this approach to represent this, like I will create a array and first 2 box I will keep empty string, and while from the box where the index of this is 2, so we will store like ABC over here, and so on. Like that we will store next all for all the till the 9 digit. We will create an array of size 10. Then once this done, now we need to build the result. So first there can be case if digit is empty itself. So base case we can say if this is empty, there is nothing, we will return a empty array list. So we will return a empty array list of string. If it is at least one character is there, let's say initially we started with like let's say 2 is there. So what we can do, based on 2 we will get the ABC as a string. So we will iterate over each character. So we will append, like we can call that many number of character calls. So this will create like first A, B, C, and now we have 3 as well. So for 3 we will get DEF. So from here we will add AD, and then this will become AE, and third is AF. Similarly from here BD, BE and BF, and so on. You can draw the rest. So this is the idea. So we will generate this combination layer wise layer and return once we process all the character or all the digit. That's it. So now you can pause the video and try to code yourself. The coding part is not that hard, just a one corner case, or not corner, just a one approach you have to follow. So first of all, what we need to do, so we just check if the digits itself. So if this digit is empty, if this is digit, so we can use the empty method here. So if this is empty, we will return just new array list over here. Otherwise what we need to do, we will create a list way of a string, we'll let it call result, that will initialize from the array list, and we will store the result, all the possible, all the combinations of our letters. So now first of all let's define like pattern like this string array which will store the mapping. So let it call mapping array, that will like initially we will store 2 empty string, and after that we will store ABC followed by DEF followed by GHI and so on. So this you can JKL, later this will become MNO, and next is this will become PQRS, and rest TUV, and the last one is WXYG. So once this done, now we will start the main algorithm part over here. So for the main algorithm, what we need to do, so first if there are at least one digit, so we will initialize our result array by just a empty, so that we will use that. Now we iterate over all the like combination, previous combination, so call it, let's say, string. So that is combination, previous combination from the result list, and then we need to create a new. So if we store in the result already this initial list, result list itself, that will create error. So we will first put the next level into another temporary list. So let's create temporary list of string from the initialize from the array list. Now we iterate over each character corresponding to, so how to fetch, so character char C in the mappings. So mappings of, so the first and also like before this we need to basically iterate over the digit. So digit char digit, so let it call D in digits dot to char array, and we need to, let's format it this code. So first we need to iterate over the digits, then we will iterate over the already computed combinations, and this we need to declare over here, and then we will fetch the all the character like the string from the current digit D minus, let's subtract 0, so that we will get the index dot to char array. Now what we need to do, we just add into the list dot add the current combination plus the new character which is C. That's it. So once this is done, after processing all the characters of that digit, current digit, and appending in the all the previous combinations, then we will update our result by the list. So that's will, and in the end once we done, we will return. So we need any, yeah, this is closing part. So this is, we need this is closing of this, that is correct. Now we will return just result as the answer. So that is the solution. So let me explain you. So first we added empty string, initialize the result list as an empty string, then we defined another list over here. So based on 2 we got ABC, so we will add 3 string A, B, C in the first level. Then second level we use iterate over ABC A, and for 3 we are getting 3 character D, E, F. So first we take D, add D in all existing 3, so AD, BD and CD. Then we will take another character from here, so we will add AE, BE and CE, like that all we will keep adding into the temporary list, and then once we process we will update that result as the list. So let's compile the code and run the test case. So it is getting working. Let's submit this code, and it got accepted. So what is the time complexity of this solution? So the for the time complexity, as you can see, 2 digits can have 4 characters. So this will be 4, and we are calling this recursively n time, which is n of the length of our digits, and we are every time opening that many branches. So in worst case, the time complexity of this solution is 4 raised power n. So that will be the time complexity, and space complexity is n, that many nested, like, or basically this is n is just for use as temporary, and the overall space complexity, the number of combination we will get. So that's it. If you like the solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.